Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit your route in Waze. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create a route to work with. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and tap on it to begin entering your destination. Once you've typed in where you want to go, select your destination from the results that appear. After selecting it, you'll see a button that says Go Now. Tap on that to start your route, and Waze will generate the navigation for you. Now let me show you the first method to edit your route. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll notice a route icon. Tap on that icon to open up your route options. Once the menu appears, you'll see an option at the top labeled List. Click on List, and this will show you all available route alternatives that Waze has calculated based on current traffic conditions and other factors. You can browse through these different route options, and when you find one that works better for you, simply tap on Go to select it. This method is perfect when you want to quickly compare different paths and choose the most efficient one. Now here's the second way to edit your route, which gives you even more control. This method allows you to add stops along your journey. Start by locating a specific spot on the map where you'd like to add a stop. Once you've found it, press and hold on that location on the map. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, tap on Routes, which will show you how this location fits into your current navigation. Next, you'll see an option that says Add a Stop. Tap on that, and Waze will automatically incorporate this new stop into your route. After adding your stop, simply click Go Now to start navigating with your updated route that now includes your additional destination. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to make quick errands along the way or pick up something before reaching your final destination. And that's it. You now know two different ways to edit your routes in Waze, giving you complete flexibility over your navigation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.